Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the JavaScript front-end web tutorials. Now in this video tutorial I will explain using completely CSS style how to create a bouncing a ball effect. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice the ball is bouncing up and down. For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a JavaScript tutorials. And here it is, our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now, inside this folder, first what I'll do is I will add one ball image to this folder. So that image I have on my desktop. On my desktop, here it is. So, let's copy. We need to add from File Explorer. Open that one. This is E drive JavaScript tutorials. Now let's add our folder ball. That's it. Now notice here the ball.gif is added here. Now add one HTML file called bouncing ball.htm, and here we got the newly created HTML file is open. Let me minimize this JavaScript as well as I'm closing this welcome page, and here we got the HTML page. Let's write the coding part. First let's add the doc.html. Close the HTML element, close the HTML element, header section, and again I am adding the body tag. Now inside this body I am adding div element. Div class is equals to the class I am adding bouncing ball. Bouncing ball. Now let's add the image. Source is equals to, between double quotes I am adding the image, the ball.gif image I have added in our folder. Let's add that one, gif. And height I am adding 20 pixels and width is 20 pixels. Let's increase a little bit, 25 and 25. That's it. Let's close the image. This Explorer. Now we'll add the script styles. Just we require the style. First we require this bouncing class. Copy this one, bouncing class, bouncing ball, which is a class. That's why I have added dot. Now overflow auto. Now padding top around 240, which is exact screen bottom of the size padding top is. And most important step is animation we require. Animation scroll 3 seconds. I'm adding linear infinity. Now the most important step is a keyframes. Scroll 0 to 100%. I'm adding here. Transform, cancellate by 100%. Now again 50% I'm adding here. Now instead of writing this thing, let's copy this one and paste here. But one modification we need to do is minus, because I want to come back to the bottom, top and bottom. Vertically I need to bounce the ball. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file. File, save. Let's minimize this again. Now it's time to check the final output of our application. Open File Explorer, and this is our folder JavaScript tutorials, and the file name is a bouncing ball. Let's open that one. See, here we got the bouncing ball is bouncing, the ball is bouncing. let's put in the center. If you want to put this in the center, just adding left around 50%, so it comes exactly center of the web page. Again, save this file. We need to save this file, reload the browser, and here we got the final output of our application. Notice the ball is bouncing up and down. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to write a code using a CSS style snippet to bouncing a ball. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share, and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.